Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best action figures are probably one of the most sought-after toys for boys aged 8 to 12, offering endless opportunities for imaginative play, storytelling, and creative adventures that can transport them to different worlds and scenarios, making them a fantastic choice for sparking creativity and keeping young minds engaged with their favorite characters and universes. Number 5. ThinkFun Gravity Maze Logic Game. Spark your imagination and hone critical thinking skills. Tackle engineering challenges through play, fostering intellectual development in an immersive STEM experience. This innovative game merges fun and education, making it ideal for fostering classroom skills. Watch as your child becomes engrossed in strategic planning, both in school and at home. Open a world of construction possibilities as you solve marble puzzles that challenge your imagination. It includes everything needed for endless design possibilities. You'll love solving challenges and constructing complex runs with friends and family. This collaborative play builds communication and reasoning skills. It's a great birthday or holiday gift for those who love logic games and creative problem solving. Learn from this challenging, Montessori-friendly game. What we like. This toy is a fantastic blend of fun and education. It challenges kids to think critically and solve problems through engaging gameplay. If you're looking for a way to boost your child's logical reasoning and engineering skills in an enjoyable way, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The remote control car is very durable and has survived multiple crashes. The car's speed is impressive, and it can handle various terrains like grass and dirt. The battery life is surprisingly long, allowing for extended playtime on a single charge. Number 4. GlowCity Glow-in-the-Dark Basketball. Introducing the GlowCity Basketball, designed to bring excitement to your nighttime games. It's perfect for players of all ages, from kids to adults. Enjoy up to 30 hours of illumination with its built-in LED lights. This ball is ready for extended play sessions, day or night. Simply bounce it to activate the glow. It lights up with every impact and automatically turns off when you stop playing, saving energy. Crafted with a sturdy, water-resistant rubber exterior, it's built to withstand both indoor and outdoor play, keeping the lights protected. Getting started is simple. It comes with pre-installed batteries and instructions, just inflate it and you're ready to make some shots. Looking for an exciting gift? This light-up ball is a fantastic present for kids and teens, guaranteed to be a hit for birthdays and any occasion. What we like. Light up your night with this unique sports ball. It's impact-activated and glows for hours, making nighttime games incredibly exciting. If you love playing basketball or other outdoor games and want to extend the fun into the evening, this is an absolute must-have. What people say. The car is very durable and has survived many crashes. My son loves the remote control feature and can drive it all around the house. The lights and sounds on the car are very realistic and add to the fun. Number 3. Beijue 16-bit handheld games console. Discover a world of fun with 220 preloaded retro games. It's designed to entertain and help develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and problem solving. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals on the large 3.0-inch HD screen. Enjoy vibrant colors and sharp details that bring every game to life. Designed for little hands, its ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable grip. The responsive buttons make gameplay smooth and intuitive. Keep the fun going with over 5 hours of playtime on a single charge thanks to its rechargeable battery. Perfect for travel and everyday adventures. Surprise your loved ones with this exciting gift. It's a blend of classic charm and modern convenience, ideal for birthdays, holidays, and more. Lightweight and easy to carry, it slips into any bag. Enjoy gaming on the go, whether you're on a car ride or waiting at a restaurant. What we like. Step back in time with this portable gaming device packed with classic fun. It features a large, vibrant screen and a comfortable ergonomic design for hours of play. If you're looking for a gift that offers a huge variety of games and can be taken anywhere, this is an excellent option for endless entertainment. What people say. The remote control car is built with durable materials that can withstand rough play. It features a powerful motor that allows for high speeds and impressive stunts. The car comes with rechargeable batteries, providing extended playtime without frequent replacements. Number 2. Holy Stone HS-190 Foldable Mini Drone. This mini drone is designed for effortless fun. With simple one-click controls and exciting 3D flips, it's perfect for kids to enjoy flying right away. Enjoy a stable and carefree flight thanks to its altitude hold and headless mode features. It's designed to be easy for beginners and kids to pilot. It offers 3 different speed modes, from low to high. This allows kids of all skill levels to have a customized and enjoyable flying experience. Safety is paramount with its propeller guards protecting little hands. An emergency stop function ensures it can land quickly to prevent damage or injury. This drone is incredibly compact, folding neatly into its controller. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, making it a fantastic portable toy for any adventure or as a gift. We stand by our product with a 30-day warranty on the unit and a 90-day warranty on accessories. Your satisfaction and feedback are important to us. What we like. This mini drone is designed for ultimate portability and ease of use. Its foldable design means you can take it anywhere, and features like altitude hold make it perfect for beginners. If you want a fun, accessible way to experience flying and capture unique perspectives, this drone is an ideal starting point. What people say. The remote control car is designed with durable materials, making it suitable for rough play and outdoor adventures. It features a powerful motor that allows for high-speed driving and impressive maneuverability on various terrains. The car comes with a rechargeable battery that provides a long playtime, ensuring extended fun for kids. Number 1. Watermelon Ball JR Pool Toy. Get ready for splashing good fun with this exciting new water toy. It's perfect for kids, teens, and adults, promising hours of enjoyment for the whole family. Elevate your next pool party or beach trip with this versatile toy. You can dribble it, bounce it, or toss it around for endless entertainment. Filling it up is a breeze with the included adapter. It inflates in seconds, so you can jump right into the water games. This toy isn't just for one game, it's perfect for any outdoor water sport. It encourages active play and teamwork in the pool or at the beach. Encourage your kids to get outside and active with this fun pool accessory. It's designed to keep everyone entertained for hours on end. Crafted from strong PVC, this toy is built to last. You can count on durable fun all summer long. What we like. Dive into a new level of water fun with this unique Foldable ball. It's perfect for a variety of underwater games and encourages active play in the pool or at the beach. If you're planning summer parties or looking for a way to keep kids entertained and active in the water, this toy offers hours of splashing enjoyment. What people say. The remote control car is built with durable materials, making it suitable for rough play. It features a powerful motor that allows for high-speed driving and impressive stunts. The car comes with a rechargeable battery that provides a good amount of playtime on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.